HR mistakes can cost you thousands, both in terms of money and time. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger company, avoiding common HR mistakes can save you from expensive fines, legal issues, and damage to your reputation. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'm going to show you how to avoid these costly errors. Stick around until the end for a key takeaway that you need to know. Let's jump straight into it. First, misclassifying employees is a huge HR mistake that can lead to major fines. For example, if you classify a worker as an independent contractor when they should be a full-time employee, you're setting yourself up for penalties. Make sure you're classifying employees properly based on their roles and how they work for your company. Next, not having proper documentation is another costly mistake. From employee handbooks to contracts, having clear and up-to-date documentation is crucial. If you don't have these in place, you could find yourself scrambling during a dispute or audit. Always ensure your documentation reflects current laws and policies. Then there's AMTE, failure to comply with labor laws. Whether it's wage laws, health and safety regulations, or overtime rules, staying compliant with federal and state laws is non-negotiable. Ignorance of these laws can lead to hefty fines and legal action. Regularly review any changes to labor laws in your area to ensure you're always up to date. Another major issue is not addressing harassment and discrimination complaints quickly enough. The longer you wait to handle these complaints, the more likely your company is to face legal action. Make sure you have a clear process in place for reporting and investigating any complaints. Take them seriously from day one. Improperly managing payroll is another costly mistake. Errors in payroll, whether it's miscalculating hours, benefits, or taxes, can lead to penalties from tax authorities. Make sure you have accurate systems in place to manage payroll. Don't just rely on spreadsheets. Using payroll software will help minimize these mistakes and ensure you're staying compliant. A mistake that many businesses overlook is not providing the right training. When you don't train your employees on important topics like safety, harassment prevention, or how to use the tools they need for their role, it opens up the door to costly issues down the line. Regular training and clear guidelines are essential for preventing problems and protecting your business. Lastly, failure to maintain good employee relations can also be a huge mistake. Poor communication, lack of feedback, and an unsupportive work culture can lead to high turnover rates, low morale, and even legal disputes. It's vital to foster a positive environment and address concerns early to prevent costly employee-related issues. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed by all of this, don't worry. I've tried several popular HR management systems, and I recommend using this software that can help you avoid all of these mistakes with ease. In the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial to this software, available only to viewers of this channel. You can follow along and implement these solutions in your business today. So, what's the key takeaway here? Avoiding HR mistakes is crucial for protecting your business from expensive consequences. Make sure you're classifying employees properly, keeping your documentation up to date, staying compliant with labor laws, addressing complaints quickly, managing payroll correctly, providing proper training, and maintaining good employee relations. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to get started with this software and take control of your HR processes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to save you time and money in your business.